Welcome to the continuation of full face makeup. My name is Deck Beauty. I want to show you how to do full face makeup, but this particular episode is how to highlight and use your blush. How to use blush and highlight the perfect way. Okay, so what I just do, first you spray before you highlight, before you use blush. What is blush? That pink that you apply on your cheek area. So I want you to concentrate because this video is large, but I decide to split the video into 10. I believe this is the episode 8. If you want to know how we arrived this spot, the eyebrow, the foundation, everything, please, the videos are down below. Okay, all this material is what we need today. These are highlighting. The last one is the dust highlighting. This pink one is what we call blush. All these products, I said them. In case you want to buy, I will post it to you wherever you are. So if you want to blush your face, you see the area of your see on top your contour. What is contour? The darker shade you use on your ear, that is what we call contour. So use your blush on top the contour, and all these products I have them, I said them in case you want to buy. So apply a little bit of blush on top your contour. So that blush, make sure it's on top you see that your ear, where the ear ends. So just apply a little bit in the head, the beginning of your nose as well. So what I want you to do for me, I need your concentration. It's your concentration I need. This is a lighter palette. I have it in case you want to buy. It's very good. So this a lighter palette, sometimes I even use it to do eyeshadow. Sometimes it's very good. So take your highlighter. So your highlighter will go to the area of your blush, on top your blush, on top your blush. So see the way we are just see how to do the application is very important. So on top your blush that is the area where your highlighter will go. So and the in between your eyes, you see, that is why they call it highlighter. You see that in between your eyes, in between your eyebrows, and just the beginning of your nose. Okay, so I dust it away because I don't want too much. In case the highlighter is too much, you can take your press powder palette brush to bring it down a little bit. If it's too much, that is just it. So I want you to see this video will so end. So don't be in a rush. The continuation of this video will be the final one. How to do lipstick and the final one. So you take a little bit of the dust. This one is the dusty highlighter. This one is the dusty. This one will fall off your face. Will drop down to your face as your face will look so glowing. So this one is the dusty one. You know we have the palette highlighter. This one is the dust. This one you can use it on the area of your neck as well. Apply it in the area of your neck as well. Then you blend. If you observe that it's too much, just take your brush, your setting powder brush, and break it down. See, that is my setting powder brush. You take your color, the color of your powder, the shade. Just use it to press everything down. In case if it's too much, so you use it to bring everything down, but the glowing will still be in there. I'm gonna manage my English show. So that is it, my people. So book me for your event. If you want to see most of my work, go to my Instagram. If you want to book me. I'm available to travel. We do gele, we do, in fact, all beauty. We do everything. We do okuku, the Edo traditional bride hairstyle. We do everything. I based in United Kingdom, London. So I will see you on the continuation of this video Bye bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. Jehovah carry me, they won't get guilty.